Hello everyone, this is Ned here, and welcome to my Photoshop tutorial series. Um, just to let you know, this is not a video editing series, but just a Photoshop series, so for static images. Alright, let's get into it. First of all, you'll either need the Photoshop app or the web version of Photoshop, which is called Photopea, photopea.com, which is what I use because I don't want to have to pay a ton of money for Photoshop, and you just want to create a new project, and let's get into it. So first of all, I'm just going to create a new project. It does not really matter what this is for now. You just create it. Now I just got a pretty nice 1920 by 1080 canvas. All right. Now there are a few things that should be mentioned here. Images are called layers and they're displayed here. And these are all your tools right here, with some more tools being up here. All right, so first of all, it's just creating basic shapes, right? So first of all, you will see that there will be a bunch of tools right here. Near the bottom, there should be this rectangle, or it could be an ellipse or a line or whatever. But you want to click it, and to change the type of shape, you can hold, and you can drag, and you can hold, and you can let go, and it becomes now a different type of shape. This can also be done for all the other tools. For example, this one, I could do this, then it could change right here, or I could do this, hold it, and let go, and it can be done right here. So first of all, just the shapes. You're going to hold it down, you go to rectangle, and then you will click, and you will drag, and this will make a rectangle right here. And then you might just think that you can go and you can move it around by dragging. Nope, it just creates another rectangle. So to actually move it around, what you need to do is you need to click this pointer move tool right here, and you can drag it around. To resize it, you could go into some tools up here. You can go click edit, transform, scale, and you can scale it however you want, like this. There are also a ton of more things in edit and transform. For example, you can rotate things, skew them, distort them.
It's easy to add home and warm water, it's hard to remove it, right? Don't start with too much.
You can change its sort of perspective, and you can warp it. And now you got like this. The main ones that I like to use are the scale, rotate, and warp functions. You can also rotate and flip things using these tools.